with their new prospecting workspace, you're able to help your reps go through all of their tasks efficiently and run through their touches all in one screen. And today I'm going to show you what it looks like to run through tasks inside of HubSpot using this workspace. So to start, if you want to get to prospecting, you go to sales and then hit prospecting. I want to attack these 36 overdue tasks that I have. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So once I click into these tasks, let's take a look at what we're seeing here. On the right side, you've got the actual contact record. So all of the information that I need to see without going into the full contact record screen is right here. So I've got the information up here. I've also got things that would be in your right side view, like playbooks. Additionally, I've got things that would be your left side view, like properties. So you're going to get that information that you need to have all the context to reach out to somebody and personalize your touches. Now on the left side, you can see that I have the tasks. Now, if I click into another task, it's going to populate with that contact record. And then when I need to start sending the email, I'll just click on this email button. I can go ahead and pop in a template if I want to. And then when I send this, it's also going to complete the task and move me right into the next task that I'm doing. I love this progress bar that helps me, keep track of how well I'm progressing through my tasks. And another tip that I have for reps is maybe filter through the tasks that you're doing so you can stay focused on one thing at a time. Like personally, I like to start with just my email tasks. And then when I'm done with those, I'll go to my call tasks. Another thing you can do is go into just your sequence steps. So maybe you've got one-off tasks that you want to go through, and those are all going to be personalized touches. But maybe I've got sequence steps where I'm running through calls or sending templated emails and then just filling in some personalization. I can also do that as well. Once again, all of the things that I'm showing you here are going to help your reps go through things a lot more quickly, efficiently, and again, focus them on one thing at a time. If you haven't used the HubSpot prospecting workspace, I highly recommend you look into it if you're a user. If you're not a HubSpot user, maybe this piques your Hub curiosity.